Welcome judges to our second video. My name is Cheng and my group member Xiang. The name of our group is Tabs and we are going to find a perfect way to solve the costume trying problem during this COVID-19 pandemic. Nowadays, people in the fashion field are losing a lot of business and most of them turn into online shopping due to the movement control order. The consumers want to buy costume, but due to the MCO, they are encouraged to not leave their houses. So they cannot try the costume. Thus, most of them do not dare to buy the costumes that might not fit to their size. Within the existing solution, some shoppers let their customers try out their costume in a clean fitting room, and after the customers left, they clean the fitting room and the costume that had been tried every time. However, it is still not a perfect solution as COVID-19 transmits through air, and only cleaning the fitting room and the costumes will not be enough to solve the COVID-19 still being in the surroundings. And so we decided to create an app that allows consumers to try their costume contactless using a model in our app. Our solution is better as it greatly reduces the contact between shoppers and consumers. Now we are going to demo our app. So
Due to certain issues, we are unable to use our app itself as we cannot record clearly with it running in the background. So when you open the app, this will be the first screen that you will be shown. After clicking the guest login, you will be shown this screen. This screen will allow you to see what options are what clothing and costumes are being sold right now and what are still in stock. After clicking the body measurement buttons, they will be shown this screen. Within the screen, you can choose your body size, depending on if you're male, female, how high you are, and what are your other sizes. Afterwards, we will go to the filter screen. Clicking a filter button and we'll move you to this screen. This screen will allow you to filter through what clothing and/or costumes you want. After clicking on the criteria you want, let's say you just want a shirt, and clicking the save button afterwards, in the main menu, they will only show options and of clothing costumes of your criteria that you wanted. And then on clicking of the shirt and of costume that you want, you'll be shown this screen where a picture of the costume will be shown and the basic details. Furthermore, if you click the fitting room button, you'll be shown this screen where a 3D model will be shown of a model of a person of a similar size wearing the costume. In the bottom, you can also change the size between small, medium, or large. Afterwards, for the seller side, clicking the admin login button with the correct password will move you to a screen where you can insert new clothing on your own, including their name, their brand, the price, image link, and the code index that you wanted to save as. This will automatically be cataloged on the Firebase and will be automatically implemented on the main screen that was shown before to the consumers. Afterwards, on clicking of the URL button, you'll be shown this screen where you can enter the model links, each of the model links required for the shirt itself, and this will also be cataloged on Firebase and will be shown on the screen of the fitting room. After releasing, and that's the demo. After releasing the app to users for them to test out, users have found that our app is very convenient and it has reduced the infection of COVID-19 through the contact of people of costumes. App also gave customers a better way to try their costumes. They only need to type in their body data and they can try the costumes in the 3D model with a similar body size. Our web will give the fashion field a lot of help in their business during the movement control order. People can also try their costumes safely. We do hope that our project can bring some help to the fashion field and those who are willing to buy some costume but cannot try it. Besides, our project has also taken one step further to advanced stage. It started with an arguing sound. During movement control order, my sister always argued about online shopping. She said that she can only see the costumes on the app, but she doesn't know the specifics of it and how it will actually look. So that's why we decided to build this app to resolve this issue. Through making this project, we have learned that cooperation is very important as a team. Encouragement between teammates is also needed when developing a project. And that's it from us.